welcome or welcome back. In today's video, there will be lots of unpacking. I kind of put things away as I went, so a lot was not videoed. I'll need to do a bunch of decluttering and organizing in the upcoming videos, so stay tuned for that. Our movers came on a Tuesday. We unpacked a bit. Rachel and Emmett ended up getting the flu on Thursday, and my turn was on Saturday. So it took quite a bit of more time than I anticipated, but no worries, we are here now, and that's all that matters. It has now been 2 weeks since our stuff has been delivered, and we aren't even completely unpacked yet. We have a couple of master bedroom boxes left to unpack, as well as all of my books and craft closet items. We are moving into a house that's a little bit smaller than the apartment we were living in, which is fine. Now I just need to determine what we actually need and how to Tetris in what we cannot part with. I know we have a lot, it's just overwhelming to see it and not have anything put away. This first morning I snuck out of bed because Emmett has been climbing into our bed in the middle of the night, so I was still in my pajamas here, but I didn't want to waste any time trying to find clothes that day, so enjoy my Costco pajamas. I first began with the kitchen. I had it in mind that if we got all of the kitchen contents put away, that it would solve everything. It did not. I ended up getting overwhelmed, and I asked Rachel to take over that room because I felt like I wasn't making a dent at all. I was just kind of moving things back and forth between the kitchen table and the kitchen counters. I couldn't get what I thought needed to be done. The second room I tackled was Emmett's bedroom. I actually didn't end up recording any of this because I decided to unpack it when I felt better after I had the flu, but I was still in my pajamas and I looked like a wreck, and nobody on the internet needed to see that. So here's what we have done in his room so far. I need to get a handle on toy rotation again so there's not toys everywhere. So on this window right here, I usually put this bike that's on this shelf on there with like a little bit of hot glue. But when I was hanging it up, it fell off. So I'm just waiting until I can find my hot glue gun before I put that back together. The bathrooms were the next area I decided to tackle. I honestly wish I would have done the bathrooms first since they're small rooms and it would have been nice to have our towels and everything where we could find them. Honestly, I was just trying to get this house unpacked as fast as I could. When we got to Japan, it took Rachel and me 1 day to unpack. We also had a lot less stuff since we didn't have Emmett yet, and now we have Emmett, which makes everything take a little bit longer because we do have this little person to take care of and play with and make sure he's good. This made the whole unpacking process take so much more time. It felt a little more overwhelming and disorganized. I'm just thankful to have a home to live in and to be able to fill it with my own belongings. We were without our stuff for 4 months, and it has been just so nice to have a couch to sit on and a TV to watch and a bed to sleep in instead of an air mattress. master bedroom hasn't gotten any TLC since we have been here. It has kind of become the catch-all room. All of our clothes and decorations are currently being stored in the master bedroom for the time being. Next, Rachel wanted to give the garage some TLC. We had just told the movers to put all of the totes in the garage, and we hadn't moved anything around since then. So we had decided to move everything to the other side since we couldn't park comfortably. Rachel moved those around while I went through a box of socks and pajama shirts. I hoard socks for some reason, so since we don't have a dresser in our master bedroom currently, I needed to go through all of these things. We moved our old bed set to the guest room, so that's currently going to be used for storage. Emmett and I played out front in the pool for a little minute, but he didn't want to be outside that long since it was 100 degrees that day, which I can't say I blame him. Our laundry room is also in the garage, so it's hard to just throw everything out here because we still want it to stay reasonably clean since we do go out here most days. That night I had decided to start unboxing some of our home decor because I was just ready to start making this house a home. That'll be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and that it gave you some motivation of your own. I hope to see you again in my next video.